Sparkling mirrors and transparent shadows. Lumi, the dream-building architect. Lumi always dreamed of becoming the best architect of the sparkling glass city.
It's a really perfect design.
Lumi was a very cautious architect who did not tolerate even the smallest mistake. One day, as Lumi was happily gazing at a wonderful new building she had designed, a strange sparkle appeared in the blueprint. Silly mirror twirled around and around, happily showing Lumi's drawings upside down. While Lumi was busy feeling confused by Mirror's trick, a quiet shadow friend named Shine appeared and began changing the shapes in the plans. Lumi's workshop quickly became a big mess because of Mirror and Shine's unexpected actions.
My perfect plan is ruined.
Lumi felt so upset that tears began to fill her eyes again. My perfect plan is ruined, she thought sadly.
Sparkle! Even your tears have turned into pretty jewels.
I made funny shapes too. I thought my way was perfect.
Lumi sighed deeply. Mirror and Shine's special ideas felt so different from the perfect buildings she had worked so hard to design.
Sparkle, why do you look so worried?
Lumi, are you feeling upset?
To cheer Lumi up, Mirror and Shine started a magical play of lights and shadows, each using their own special kind of magic. As Lumi looked at the beautiful scene created by Mirror's light and Shine's shadows, she felt a spark of inspiration. New ideas began to bloom in her heart. Lumi began to build using her new ideas, but it was harder than she expected. When Lumi started to feel discouraged, Mirror sent bright, cheerful lights her way, and Shine used his shadows to create a fun path for her to follow. Mirror created shadows with sparkling new light, and Shine transformed them into wonderful shapes. Together, they worked their exciting magic.
Amazing! This is it!
Lumi's eyes grew wide as she looked at the amazing light and shadow magic her friends had made.
Wow! Did we really make this?
Sparkle, it's the best ever!
At last, Lumi and her friends completed a magical light and shadow masterpiece, unlike anything the world had ever seen. Everyone cheered happily.
Wow! Did we really make this?
Now, Lumi was a wonderful architect who didn't let mistakes bother her anymore.
Mirror, Shine, thank you. Because of you, I found a wonderful new me.
Lumi was no longer afraid of making mistakes. She had become a true architect who could enjoy building anything.
Sparkle! Lumi, let's go make something fun again.
Swoosh! I'll help you control the light.
Mirror and Shine, Lumi's dear friends, promised to always stay by her side and share many new building adventures together. Please look forward to the next adventure of Lumi, Mirror, and Shine.